This is Chukwebuka Jonas Obina, and I am the MD of Jonuchs or International Services, and also the chairman of the Jonuchs Feeds. Actually, we are into feed, that's livestock feed production, and like I stated, our major objective is to produce nutritious feeds that are very, very valuable to livestock. And we want to do this with our various feed components that are found locally within us. Something we can find within us that we can use to complement uh, uh, the other feed materials that are very, very expensive, because our target is to make feeds that are affordable to farmers, because we've discovered through our supplies, major supplies, we started from the first phase of supplying feeds to livestock farmers. We supply spent grain inlet with cassava fiber, cassava peels, maize, soybean, to already existing mills, feed mills, and then we supply directly to farmers also. And but we want to launch into the feed production sector, because the cries, because of the cries of the farmers are exiting livestock farming, because especially poultry farmers, they are exiting because because of the cost of feed. So our objective is to produce feeds that are nutritious, that are nutritious, that are going to sustain the livestock, make the meats good, taste beautiful, make the animals lay much eggs, produce milk as the case may be. And what we are actually trying to use are we're trying to make use of these particular products. This, as you can see, this is the inlet with cassava fiber. We're drying it. Okay, we want to turn it into a dry mesh, into a dry form, so that we can use it to supplement or complement maize. This actually contains some elements of of it contains some elements of starch and carbohydrate in it. You understand? And we want to make sure that we mix it with maize, some percentage of maize, to be able to get what we want, and also for the birds to enjoy it. And that's where we are at for now. You can also see our production section. This is our production section. In our production section, we have our the peeling machine. This is the peeling machine. This peeling machine does like 500 kg. It does like let's say 500 kg at a ton, at a peel. It peels like 500 kg at a time. And from peeling, after peeling, we wash, and then it goes into grating. This is our grater. This is our industrial scale grater. From grating, we move it to the presser. So this is the pressing machine. This is the hydraulic presser. We use hydraulic a jack to press. It has two units. From here, then if we want to produce odorless fufu after grating, we put them inside the tank, for grating, for fermentation to take place. Then if we don't want to produce odorless fufu, we can actually move into the hammer mill to reduce the particles. Okay, And if we are producing flour, we after drying we reduce the particles in the hammer mill with our dry hammer mill, and from the hammer mill we move into this section. This section is the flash drying unit. There's the flash drying unit. Okay, like you can see, it contains 6 cyclone. 6 cyclone. The dryer, the flash dryer has 6 cyclone. So from here now we'll move the grated and dry matter. That's the cassava dried matter into this place for flash drying. After flash drying, it turns into flour, into dry matter flour, which can the flour can actually be used for bakery. It can use as a composite for wheat flour for baking of bread. You can also use it alone to bake your bread, to produce bread, to make chin chin. Can be used to make a cake, as the case may be. So this is the unit. This is the production unit. This is our production unit. This is also a flash drying unit. This is a flash drying unit. Okay, and then this is the bagging section. From here we'll move the dry matter, the floor. We'll move it down here. Then from here it goes into this particular unit for bagging. We're back here at this unit. So that's it for now. I've taken you through what we do at Jonuchs International Services, Jonuchs Foods, Jonuchs Feeds, and later on I will be taking you into our Jonuchs Jonuchs Foods and Beverages, where we also process palm kernel nuts into palm kernel oil and uh, and the vegetable oil. Thank you, and God bless you.